Dear viewers, today we are going to discussing about structure of an ecosystem. I am Dr. T. Ganeshkumar, Department of Zoology, St.Joseph College, Cuddalore. Ecosystem means environment and coordinated unit. An environment consists of both biotic and abiotic factors. Biotic factors means organism. Abiotic factors means non-organism. So in the biotic factors further divided into three types: producer, consumer and decomposers. Producers are the organism. It has the ability to do photosynthesis, and these are all the organism of autotrophs. Automatically it produces the food without depends on any organism. It only depends on non-living thing like sun, water, air, temperature, soil, etc. Mostly green plants, algae. Consumers are organism. The consumer organism further divided into three types: primary consumer, secondary consumer and tertiary consumer. Primary consumers eat the producer primarily. Also we can call it herbivorous animals like a rabbit, deer, cattle animals. And secondary consumers kill and eat the primary consumer. So we can call it here secondary consumer, also carnivorous, primary carnivorous. In the third stage, tertiary consumers are there. These are all the organisms kill the secondary consumer and eat them. So we can call it here secondary carnivorous. In each and every trophic level, the food is flows from one place into another places, one organism to another organism, one trophic level into another trophic level. Finally, all the organism comes to the decomposers if they are dead. So the dead animals can be processed by microorganisms and some other scavengers also. The dead bodies can be degraded into simpler compounds and become a humus material. That humus materials can be sent it to the roots of the plants again. Here you can see a cycle of food, so we can call it here food chain. Food chain means the eating organism can be eaten by the another organism. The eaters can be a food for the another organism. So we can define like this: the sequence of eaters being eaten by another consumers. At the same time, food web. A food web means interlocking of many food chain. Several sequence we can see here. A sequence like this: producer, consumer, primary, secondary, tertiary, and decomposes organisms. It's a single food chain, and interlocking of many food chain we can call it here food web. Several sequence of food chain we can see. For an example, in a forest ecosystem, trees are a primary, means producer. Depends on that a producer, deers are present. Depends on the deer, foxes are present. Depends on that foxes, tigers are present. So here we can see a clear food chain. If all the organisms die in various moment, that will comes to the decomposes to decay, and it's become a humus material. Like that, it will be differ from one ecosystem into another ecosystem. In a grassland ecosystem, grasses are producer. Grasshopper, a reptile, a snake, a hawk. Like the sequence we can identify here. So here, food chain, food web, at the same time ecological pyramids also we can find. In the ecological pyramids, three types are present: pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, pyramid of energy. Pyramid of numbers means from the producer level into decomposers level, the organism can be decreased in number level. A pyramid of biomass, from the producer level into decomposers level, the weight of the organism will be reduced. At the same time, energy also. So like that, in each and every organism, a pyramid shape should be identified to sustain the environment. For the sustainable environment, we need a proper amount, proper number, and proper energy of producer, and depends on that organism should be reduced. Okay, thank you.